Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the stuff I used. Here's my cat. She's bigger in person, really. First, I started using this. It's my new/old coat, really. It's my snow coat, but it's not really waterproof, so I stopped using that, and I used this. And my mom's dad's got us a fishing coat. It's waterproof. It's very delicate, easy to rip. And their own initials, JTJT. One size should fit all, really. I use this flashlight, of course. The power was going out before, so I had to use this during a lot of it. As you see, very bright. And I used this paper bag and some foil wrap that was clear, like this. I wrapped the foil around the lens and the whole camera so it didn't get wet. I still press buttons and see perfect. But I would put, Mom came up with this idea. You put just zip lock it and you're good to go. Now you can use any size bag. And every bag is clear like this, but I think some color will be different like this. So it was really darker. It was actually, well, yeah, pretty much darker in real life and darker on the camera. So, yeah. And it's the most horrible time of the year. School is near. I want all of you to run, lock your doors, bring games, some chips, some food, and a lot of other stuff. Go in your room and lock yourself in. If you know where the key is, take that too. And the windows, just in case your parents try climbing up those to get you. So, that's all. Bye.